A returning event we have here for the second season of the Marbolympics, the Halfpipe. Season 1 was event 3, now it is going to be event 2. Everyone, I'm Jack Maples, and this is a test of endurance for the second event of the Marbolympics. Currently in the standings, Peter Griffin, winning the first event, is in the lead. I'm in second place, and Peppa Pig takes third. Let's see if any of those spots change. Here's our example wrong. We'll see what happens. They'll be dropping into the half pipe and trying to survive as long as possible because their time will be set as a score. All 4 marbles will add up to 1 score, and that will be their total score. The highest score will win this event. As you can see, 51, that's actually a good time for an example marble. Elmo and Joe Biden up first. Here we go. They're off. Dropping into one. Elmo has one quick one going in for 2 from the very back. Joe Biden having 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Let's see how this goes. Elmo getting a 50-second and Joe Biden 49. 2 decent times, I'd say. Among Us and Roblox Noob. We started this event, so those times could immediately change. Among Us having one very quick one go down the course. Roblox moving 2 also pretty quick finishers, and 2 way out there in the back. It's gonna be a big difference, but 49 for Roblox Noob and 40 for Among Us. Among Us taking last place. Scratch Cat and Mike Wazowski on the course. Scratch Cat having 2 in the back, 1 in the front. Mike Wazowski having 2 very quick finishers. And Moles will be only 6th. See how that goes. Mike Wazowski in last place, only 43. Of course. Me and Badlands Chugs. I'm currently second place in this standings, and the best time in triathlon. 3 of mine are already in the front. Dropping down. I have like 2 9-second times. That's not that good for me. Let's see how this rolls. I'm in second to last place. So Badlands Chugs is in the lead. Badlands Chugs are taking the lead. Elmo in a way far away second. I'm currently second to last. Not good. Homer Simpson and Hamlet. As you can see, the layout has changed because the old one was not doing that good, and we decided to change it. Homer Simpson had 3 in the very back. One of them, though, was actually pretty quick in. Hamlet's. All 4 of them competing in, finishing in a one straight row. Sorry for that. Homer having second place. Hamlet only in 8th. SpongeBob and Toad. Now, we've been seeing that, as you can see right here, this crash right here kind of depends on what everything is going on at the end here. Because at this point, they just separate more. Toad having one very far out. Everyone else going in a straight line. Toad having 8th place. SpongeBob up in 3rd. Just got it retaken. Cookie and Poe. 2 not doing that good in the standings so far. Cookie currently Cookie takes the I can't speak. Yeah, Cookie currently in 4th. Poe having 11th though, that's not good. Peter Griffin and Peppa Pig, 2 medal holders. We'll see if one can take away a second one. If you have a second medal, you're probably going to be in the lead. Peter Griffin having 2 out in the front. All of them doing pretty good. One of Peter Griffin is way in the back, doing really good. Peppa Pig, all of hers going in and getting a pretty slow time. Peppa Pig is going to get her 2nd bronze medal of the Marbolympics. Peter Griffin, though, only taking 9th. You can see, here's the final scoring. Peppa Pig gets her 2nd bronze medal, but also Badlands Chugs takes the win. As you can see, Badlands Chugs getting gold, Homer Simpson silver, Peppa Pig getting the bronze. Here we are. Peppa Pig shooting up 2 spots into the lead with 30 points. I go down 4. Battle Edge Chugs goes up 5. Well, here's the standings. We'll see you in the next episode of the Marbolympics. Bye.